Shit!
Let's go. Go, go, go. Go to your room. Did you turn off the AC? Come on. Turn off the air. Give me that remote in here. Bring the remote over to the table, okay? Jacob, that's too loud for Daddy. Go to your room if you want to do that. Go to your room. Huh? Press. Do you want to do the pump? What? Oh no, I'm using the speaker.
A touch and go situation. Gohan, protect the four-star ball.
Mama, can I get my yellow toothbrush?
Too easy. Bet on it. Well, there's no telling how you managed to do it. I'd say sound up the scales on his powers since last week. Be that as it may, you're still no match for me. Now, that Dragon Ball, are you going to hand it over quietly without making a scene, or are you going to play the hero?
Yeah, I'm guessing it's pretty stupid to try and strike a bargain with a guy like you. But if I hand this over, do I have your word that you'll leave us alone?
You want to strike a bargain with me? How civilized. Well, I suppose as long as I get what I'm after, there's no sense in wasting any more time.
You really mean it?
Don't press your luck. Quickly, put the Dragon Ball in my hands before I have a change of heart.
No, Krillin!
Today's your lucky day, Rote. Having all 7 of these puts me in a very forgiving mood indeed. But I guess the knowledge that I'm about to rule the universe in Frieza's place would have that effect. That, and of course, immortality.
Where are you?
Not to rub salt on your wounds or anything. But you kind of blew it, huh? You'd think you'd be a little more reluctant to hand something over you've gone to so much trouble to get. Exactly what choice did I have but to hand it over to him? He would have killed us both if I tried to resist. You know he would have.
nice.
Go tomorrow.
You can't come in here, remember? Whew.
Where is he?
Is Gohan coming? I just finished packing all of the gear back into capsules. How much longer do you think he's gonna be?
There's no sign of him yet. Oh man, I hope he didn't run into Vegeta. That would
I need to go to the bathroom.
bastard knows where we are now. Got to relocate it fast. What can be taking Gohan so long to get back? Hurry. He's here!
Look, guys! I did it! I found it!
Yes! Oh, we ever glad to see you!
Way to go!
Right. Now, there's really no time to explain, but if the three of us don't get out of here, we're gonna be in for some serious trouble.
Yeah, I know already. I got stopped by Vegeta on the way back. But good news is I managed to keep it hidden from him, so he'll never even suspected I had it.
I think that might make you the luckiest person alive.
Yeah. That's great. We can talk when we're out of here.
Right.
Oh, it's hot, you know. Where's that stool? Oh, there.
Here we go again. Only this time around, I've come to finish the job.